What's up, danglers? Today we're out here in Marine Creek. Had a few nice days out here lately, but this lake is cursed or something because somehow I keep accidentally deleting the footage. So hopefully today will be a great day, just like the last two that somehow deleted the footage. And I mean, it's already looking good. We got nice overcast skies, and the fish should be biting. So stay tuned and we'll see what we can get to the boat here. There's one. First fish of the day, danglers. Got us one, danglers. Let's get him in here. Not a bad one. Not a monster by any means, but here we go. First fish of the day. Awesome. Oh, oh. See if we can get in there and get another one. Ooh, there's a bite. Good signs, danglers, good signs. Got his ass. Busting on him here and there. Little bitty guy. Look at that little cute guy. There's one, danglers. Finally. He's a little guy. Do what he'll do. There's one, danglers. Look at that little bitty guy. Little bitty. Somebody done scraped him on the head. Beat him upside the brain. There's one. Saw him come up and eat it. There's one, danglers. We got him. Barely hooked. Look at that, just barely hooked. Another little guy, little Marine Creek little guy. Where's the big mamas? We need some of them big mamas. There's another one. Oh, that's a good one. That's a better fish. Alright, a little better, not much better, but we will take them. Feisty little guy. Another little Marine Creek goodness. Oh, we're on a little roll here so far, so good. Let's see if we can't get in there and get some more. Oh yes, there's a good one. That's a better fish. There we go, danglers. There we go. Much better. Right out of that tree right there. Nice one. There's a nice one. Getting better, getting bigger. So, what we're catching them on here is a little weightless Texas rig fluke, the tried and true. If you watched any of my videos, you know that I use these a lot, various colors, and they work well, at least for me. I don't know. Try to branch out and throw other things, but as soon as I put one of these bad boys on, make a couple casts, usually starts happening. Fish start coming to the boat. Let's see if we can't get a big girl up out of this little cove back here. A lot of good looking stuff back here. Caught a really nice one last time I was in here. Let's see if we can't do the same. There's one little bitty guy. Little tiny. Need that big brother, big sister, mama, grandma, something. There's one. It's a better fish. It's a better one. Oh yeah. There we go, danglers. There we go. Back here in the shallows. Back in the shallows. Beautiful. Let that bad boy go. Paying off today, dangler. Paying off. Come on. Is there a 10-pounder back here somewhere? Wanting to play? Maybe up underneath this tree over here. Oh yeah. You're gonna get a little wet, danglers. Don't worry. We ain't gonna melt. As long as there ain't no lightning, we should be alright. Last I checked, they didn't care. There we go. Got another one. Look at that gold color to him. Golden. Like I said, as long as we ain't got lightning, we should be good. And I ain't heard no thunder. So fishing continues. Pretty good little downpour if I don't say so myself. Whatever. Might as well make the best of it. Right? Well, danglers, that was quite the shower we just had. Hopefully that turns the fish on a little more. I'm hoping. Caught one fish while it was raining, so that's a good sign. I think that's it for the rain, unless something just pops up like that one did. But took the time to sit underneath this dock and eat some lunch, and we're gonna get back out there and see if we can't get some more big girls. Maybe the big girls will come out and start biting now. Well, danglers, looks like we got the lake to ourselves. Everybody got scared of the rain. We're gonna go out here and see if this didn't turn the bite on here. There's one. Alright, there we go, danglers. They're still in here. They didn't get washed away. Little guy, little golden Marine Creek bass. I wonder why they're so golden today. Well, danglers, that's gonna wrap it up. Had an alright day considering the rain. Clouds stayed with us all day. That was good. Caught a few alright fish, nothing real big, nothing to brag about. Some fish better than no fish, right? If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. And be sure to hit that like button.